Hi everyone and welcome to another vlog. So it's very sunny today. I have just come to One Stop again because I need to return something to the Nike shop. I'm returning the black top because I don't think I'd wear it very much because it is quite warm. So I'm returning that. I came here an hour ago and it was closed. It opens at 10, so now it's 10:05. I'm back, but I did plan to go to the gym and then come back, or just go to the gym and then get Elisa from nursery. But the gym was so busy. Like, I drove into the car park, it was fully packed. Like, there was like 2 spaces. And then I've never seen it this busy before. I was like, oh, I really hope the women's section is not busy. It was heaving. Like, there was queues for every single machine and there was just no space on the mat to do like my own workouts and things like that. So it's like I can't really wait around because I have to get Elisa, I have to come back here, all that kind of thing. So I thought I'd just come here and then probably do a workout at home if I get a chance to today. So that is what I've done. I'm gonna go and return the top, probably get something else because I think it's exchange only if I'm right. And then I'm probably gonna go to Asda after to get some meat for something that I want to make later. So that is what I'm going to be doing right now. So just got home and Issa is eating some little snacks that I bought. Have you ever seen these before? They're like Smarties, white chocolate Smarties. And they look so cute. Elisa is gonna love these. Issa's having some already. Do you like it? He's got jam on his face from the toast that he had for breakfast. Gotta clean it, gotta clean it. But I don't think he had breakfast long ago, so it's okay, we'll leave it for now until he's finished eating. But an Ocado shop came for me while I was out, so I think I might show you what I got actually. So, got some yogurt. This is just Greek style yogurt. Is it Greek style? I hope it is. Nope, it's plain yogurt. I got a pomegranate, 2 orange juices. I got a very large cucumber, a nice big watermelon because my kids love it. Also got some coriander. I got some more yogurt, but these have got mango, like mango puree or something in there. I've never had these ones before, but they look nice. Also got some sweet potatoes because I haven't had sweet potatoes for ages and I thought they might be a good healthier option than potatoes. And then I got a mango. I'm planning to make mango salsa. And then I got some kids yogurts. And then I got some carrots because I love carrots. I also picked up some raspberries. I don't know why they're a little bit cheaper this week, so I got them from there. And then I got some Granny Smith apples. I love how they come bubble wrapped so they don't get bruised. So that is amazing. Got some sliced mushrooms. Love mushrooms. I got some, what are these called? Spring onions. I got some courgettes because I'm trying to eat more vegetables, as you can tell. I bought some bean sprouts for my stir fry. I do love bean sprouts, but I never really have them, so I'm gonna use some this week and then freeze the rest of them. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a stir fry recipe and I will do one this week. And then I got some potatoes. I also picked up some jam because we love jam on toast. Raspberry seeded jam all the way. I got Elisa some Cocoa Pops. She loves her chocolate cereal, that girl. I got some eggs, 12 large eggs. So weird because they sent me a message saying that they didn't have those, so I don't really know what's going on there. I don't think they even charged me for them. Anyway, then I also got some What's-Its, some sandwich thins. These are the 50-50 ones. I thought I'd try the healthier ones. And then I also got some hoisin sauce from Ocado as well, the Amoy one, because I think it was on offer for like 70 something p, which is good, very good. So I picked that up. And then more crisps. I got some French fries. I also got some pancakes. Also got some bananas and avocados. And I found this caramelized red onion burger relish in the Branston's range on Ocado because I had it on my shopping list and I was supposed to get it from Aldi, but I didn't go to Aldi, so I think this should be nice, like the one that I got from Aldi, I'm hoping. I'm going to try that with egg, probably today actually. And then I also got some party rings. My kids love party rings. I got some of this Tilda coconut basmati rice because it was 79p. This one goes really nice with Brazilian chicken, which I'm planning to make as well this week. I also got some ice cream, which has already been put in the freezer, but I thought I'd show you anyway because I got that. And then I popped into One Stop and I thought I'd show you what I got from there too. So from Poundland, I picked up 2 of these, £1 each. These are the yogurt coated fruit snacks, which I think are just good because they're a little bit healthier than normal things. Also from Poundland, I couldn't resist picking up some orange Smarties. Orange Smarties are like the best, don't you think? They're just so nicely flavoured. Like they're the only ones that actually have a flavour. And they have packs of them for 50p. So I thought I'd pick those up because it's just a nice little treat sometimes when you're watching a movie or something. These are white chocolate Oreo bars. I haven't eaten one yet, but this is what they come like. The little pieces of white chocolate with Oreo. Let's show you actually. I'm gonna have a slice and give Issa a slice. Issa, come here. So this is what it looks like inside. Here you go. I'll do a taste test for you. That is so good. It's like, you know, the dipped Oreos. I taste a bit like that, and I love those. So that is like my perfect chocolate. Oh, I'm gonna eat the whole bar. Shouldn't have bought them really. And then I also picked up 4 packets of this rice because I just love it. It's so good. It's like the perfect portions, and I just thought I'd pick up 4 because they're only 49p in Asda. Also from Asda I got some meat as well. So I picked up this beef chunk tender, £3.65 for that big piece of meat, and I thought I would make some kind of Mongolian beef or something with that. I don't really know. I'll probably put it in the freezer until I'm ready to use it. And then I also picked up a baby chicken because I feel like a roast chicken. And then I also picked up, I've never had this before, this is so cute, but I just was curious because I saw a recipe on Pinterest of a steak in a pressure cooker. So I'm just curious to see how this will come out as like a random dinner one day. And that is everything I got. So, oh, I also picked up something from the night shop as well. Should I show you that? Yeah, let's show you that. I went to do an exchange in the night shop. I ended up picking up 2 packets of socks because I needed to reach the amount that I spent. I don't even know. She's like, you need to spend £4 something more. And these were £5, so I was like, why not? And then for the gym I picked up 2 t-shirts. So I picked up this one, which is just a plain grey one with this on it, like it looks like it's been sprayed, and it's nice and baggy. I think, what size? I think this one's a large. No, this is medium. And then I also picked up this, which is a large. Yes, this one's a large, and I thought this would be so perfect for just working out because it's so thin and it's like really breathable. So I thought I'd pick up this, and it's also got these little things that, you know, I love, and I don't think it will be very tight. This one was a very good purchase, and look at the colour, like it's my favourite. So that is everything. I'm going to go and probably make some breakfast after I put all this stuff away. Hello, my baby. So I just did a beginner workout from YouTube. Can't remember her name. I'll leave the link below if you want to do it. But it killed me, guys. Like, it's like a cardio and like a full body workout kind of thing. And I'm still out of breath. I stopped doing it about 5 minutes ago. But it's really good because at the end she like does little stretches and stuff. So I really like that workout that I just did. It was really hard though, so I'm gonna have to keep doing it until I can find it easy. Yes, Elisa did it with me. She did parts of it. So cute.
And I said I was tired.
Yeah, she said she was tired. Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was every day when it was exercising.
Yeah. But anyway, I am going to make some food for myself, and then I'm going to jump in the shower. I think I'm going to do that workout when I can't get to the gym, like today. I can't believe how busy the gym was. Like, I'm never going after I drop Lisa off at nursery again because it's just ridiculous. More likely go in the evening when it's quieter, so that's probably what I'll do from now on. But yeah, if I can't go to the gym, I'll try and do one of these workouts. That was hard work. Oh, I feel dead. There's a lot of squats and lunges. But anyway, food time. Woohoo! Okay, so this is the pasta that I made for the kids, and I blended up a pepper with milk and then I made the cheese sauce out of that, and Elisa flipped. She did not like it. I thought she'd love it because it was pink pasta, but she hated it and she didn't eat anything, so I don't know what she's gonna have. I have made beef with broccoli and red peppers.
On your bum.
Thank you.
As well.
And then this is going to be sesame chicken. It's going to have sesame seeds and spring onions on top, which I'm going to heat up in a bit when we eat. So it is a little bit later now, and I have made dinner.
Hello. Hello.
Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We are just chilling. Isa and Elisa are just playing, building forts and jumping on tables.
Isa. Building fort.
But I have cooked. I made some beef and I made some chicken, and I can't wait to eat it. I'm waiting for my mum to come so we can eat. And I've just been trying to get a bit of housework done, the laundry and all that kind of thing. So that is what I've been doing. I love using my Instant Pot to cook. It's so quick. Like, you can make beef soft in less than 10 minutes. It's amazing. Well, I feel so tired. Like, I don't understand why. Look at my eyes. They're just like dead. But yeah, today has just been a kind of day, like tomorrow. It is 20 to 7, so we are going to head upstairs soon, and I'm going to get the kids to bed. Probably going to wait for Mum to come actually, so that she can see them before they go to bed. It's a little bit later now. It's 8:42 in the evening and the kids are sleeping. My mum came and ate with me and now she's gone home, and I am about to edit this video, tomorrow's vlog, and I'm so tired. If you can't tell by my face, I just feel so sleepy today. But this vlog has been all over the place again. I'm sorry. That's just my life, all over the place. But thank you so much for watching this video. I'm just going to end it now. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!